going on in weather these next few days. This was the view out in Morro Bay today. Not as cool as many people probably would hope, trying to cool off from this massive heat wave, but Michelle says her view out in Cambria was pretty chilly this afternoon. We also got in a nice photo of the sun rising over Nipomo this morning, sent in by Gina. We'll take in your photos using hashtag #BeOnKSBY on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So we did break a record today in San Luis Obispo, reaching 99 degrees, breaking a record from 2014 of 96 degrees, and temperatures are going to be continuing to heat up. We might get a small, tiny reprieve tomorrow. Let's take a look at those current temperatures now. 87 degrees in Santa Maria, 86 in San Luis Obispo, 90 in Paso Robles, 83 in Lompoc, and 80 in Santa Barbara. So our relative humidity is something we're tracking over the next few days because we do have that heat advisory and fire weather concerns are really prominent. So we don't have a red flag warning, but these are still dangerously low levels for much of the Central Coast, meaning a fire could spread very easily and all of the dry brush around us. So our heat advisory again covering most of San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara counties going through Wednesday. A second heat advisory issued for just the mountain areas of Santa Barbara County. That's continuing on until Friday. Now, when we're talking about our winds, we often think about them cooling us off, but what we saw today was our winds actually contributing to some really warm temperatures in what's called a downsloping flow. So that's why our coastal areas were really heating up today, because those winds came down mountain slopes, usually occurring at night, really heating things up, and also our weak offshore winds brought in those warm temperatures as well. Let's take a look at our winds right now. 15 miles per hour in Santa Maria, 13 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo and Paso Robles, and 8 miles per hour in Santa Barbara. So we have a small craft advisory mostly in our outer water until Tuesday. There's a little tiny piece hugging the coastline of southern Santa Barbara County as well. That's expected to expire early tomorrow morning. Our wind forecast shows that our winds are going to be generally between 10 to 15 miles per hour as we're heading into Tuesday afternoon. Here's a look at our wind forecast showing 9 a.m. tomorrow. We're looking at 11 mile per hour gusts in Lompoc, 9 in Morro Bay, 7 in Cambria, starting to calm down in intensity as we're heading into Tuesday evening. Now our microclimate model showing that marine layer and cloud coverage out on the water really just passing us by. Plenty of sunshine on the way, and unfortunately that's going to make temperatures feel a lot warmer. So when are we getting a break? Well, if we take a look at the week ahead, our interior valleys cooling off by about a degree or so tomorrow, not a whole lot, and then rising back up by Wednesday, Thursday, nearly 100 degrees by Friday. Coastal valleys also continuing to heat up after cooling down slightly tomorrow, reaching around 90 degrees by Thursday, and then beaches cooling off tomorrow, but then rising back up to around 90 degrees by Wednesday. So forecast for the rest of the Central Coast tomorrow, we're looking at 95 degrees for your high in Paso Robles, 97 in San Luis Obispo, 94 in Santa Maria, and 88 in Lompoc. Down the coast in Carpinteria, we're looking at 82 degrees, 99 in Santa Ynez, and 98 in Los Alamos. In the five cities, Nipomo 93, 92 in Arroyo Grande, and 84 in Pismo Beach. And in northern San Luis Obispo County, 90 in Avila Beach, 86 in Morro Bay, and 81 in Cayucas. So our 5-day forecast will show plenty of sunshine on the way and also a cool down finally in sight by next weekend. You can always see our 10-day forecast on our app in the App Store.